Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install an awesome car pack for your Grand Theft Auto 5 game. With this car pack you will actually replace most vehicles in the game for real cars. Also there will be a lot of add-on vehicles added to your game. As you can see, the cars are awesome, and like I mentioned already, it will replace a lot of cars in the game for real cars. And you'll also get a add-on menu which you can actually choose vehicles within the add-on menu. As you can see, there's a lot. The list is pretty long, and yeah, you can add a lot of it. So before we get started, I would like to inform you this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. If you find any value in this video, which you will, please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. So let's get started. So yeah, to make this all work, we're gonna go ahead and download a few files. I will leave a link in the description towards my Discord server. There you will find all the links we will be visiting under links and resources at GTA Cars. And these will be the links. If you don't want to join my Discord, you can just type them over as you see them right here. But keep in mind, we also have an installation service for anyone that's too lazy to install anything. You can holler at us. So let's get back to the links and let's go ahead and visit them all. So these are all the links. Let's go ahead and click on download. So we start downloading them, and this is what you will be needing. So it will all work perfectly with no crashes. Like in some videos they haven't. Oh shit, what am I doing? For instance, some files are missing sometimes. That's why we'll get a game error. With this steps that we are taking today, you won't have that. Let's download this. Okay, let's head over to our main directory folder and the files we just downloaded. Okay, on my left side we have our main directory folders, and on the right side the files we downloaded. As you can see, I have multiple copies. That's because I love to have my modifications separated. We will be using a clean version of the game, so for anyone that doesn't have any modifications, perfect for you, and if you do have it, then it will still work for you. So let's start by the first one. Open it up by double clicking on this right here. That's the first link. We're gonna hit accept, continue, and continue again. Then it will install it. Okay, I already have it, so I don't need to reinstall it, but that's how easy it is. Then we're gonna open it up by searching for it, right click on it, and hit run as administrator. Let's click yes. Let's open it up for the first time, and you are going to choose Windows. Let it load up, and then we're gonna click on what can I do, set permissions, hit OK, hit close, hit tools, ASI manager, and click on install on all three. Here will ask you to create a folder which you will say yes to, or click yes to on. Then we're going to close it, and we're going to close this also. Let's go to the second file. That's going to be this right here. We're going to go in this folder. We're going to select the two files that I'm selecting. If I'm going too fast for you can just slow the video down by the settings within the player. And then let's go to the third link. That is going to be, which one is it? This one? I don't even remember. This one, let's go for this one. It doesn't even matter. We're gonna select these two, and we're gonna drag and drop them right here. Then we're gonna go back, and we're gonna choose this folder right here, and we're gonna select these two files and drag and drop them in the main directory folder. Then we're gonna go to this one, and we're gonna select these two files, and we're gonna drag and drop them in the main directory. It is that easy. So it was these two files. Maybe I should show you a bit bigger. These two files, and in the other folder it was these two files. See? And in the last one it was both files, as you can see. So let's go back. So we've done this, this. Now we gotta do, oh no, this one also done. So we've done these four. We're gonna do this one right now. We're gonna do that by opening up the software again that we installed. Go to Windows, we can actually do this one first. Hit edit mode, hit yes, click on install. Oh, hold on. We need to extract it first. Let's go ahead and extract this. There you go. Okay, that's done. Now you can actually make sure edit mode is on and drag and drop it in here, and it will install everything. There you go. You also have the possibility for these right here, which we're not gonna do. That's installed. Let's hit close, and we're gonna go here, 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 here. That's where we're gonna be. I'm just gonna show you again. Here, 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 here. Here's where we're gonna be. We're gonna go back to the last one that we installed. I'm gonna unpack it, also extract it. Double click on it. Click on this right here for more. And then I'm going to keep stock, but if you want more traffic on the road, you can choose any of these. And we are going to drag and drop it in this folder. It's already there, but this one will make it better. And after that, we are finally done. And what we can do now is we can close this down, make sure you close it so it saves, and we can start up the game. So let's do that. Starting up. If you get an error whatsoever, then you haven't followed the steps correctly, and with the steps I mean you haven't installed these or this one right here. Just reinstall it, just transfer it again, but you'll be all good if you followed the correct steps. Okay, the game is started, we're loaded in the game, and let's go ahead and start by hitting the F3 menu, and you will have this nice awesome menu. You can go down by hitting 8 to go up or 2 to go down on your right keypad on your keyboard, so the right side. Hit 5 to hit enter, so spawning, and then you can go down all the way to added menu, and here you'll have some cars that's already added. This is not all of them because a lot is also replaced in the game. So where am I? Why did I go all the way there? So if we try this car right here, there you go. And then you have this one. And as you can see, there's a lot. There is a lot of cars. Let's just do a quick walkthrough of some of them. And as you can see, this is awesome. Let's go down. Let's get down. Come on. Okay, maybe not the smartest way to go down. Let's try this one. There you go. But we also have a Cadillac. Oh, and an Escalade 2007. Oh, nice, nice. As you can see, this is pretty awesome. What is this? A van? Okay, not my type. A lot of. Oh, let's see. 759. Damn! Look at it. This is awesome. We also have these cars, for instance. It's gonna be a cop car. And this one. What else do we have? This one right here. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, nice. So yeah, you know, you get it. And besides that, they're also driving around. As you can see, they're driving around right here. Here, it will replace these cars. As you can see, this is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh, we also have a Porsche and a GTR. Damn! That's nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is awesome. Okay, well, I guess I've done a good walkthrough of it, how it works. You can hit 0 to go back, 0 again, you will go out of the menu, or just backspace. And I guess that's about it for this video. If you liked it, if you enjoyed it, please smash that like button, leave me some feedback in the comment section, and yeah, don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.